In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make buttons clickable in a Canva website. If you've designed a website in Canva and want visitors to be able to click a button, a shape, text, or even an image and go somewhere else, the process is quick and straightforward. We'll keep it simple and make sure your links work as expected. Start by opening your Canva website design. Once your design is open on the canvas, click the element you want to make clickable. This can be a button you've styled, a rectangle or other shape used as a button, a line of text like "Contact us," or an image you want to turn into a link. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline and handles appear around it. With the element selected, look to the top toolbar in Canva. You'll find a link option there. Click the link icon to open the link box. This small box is where you'll tell Canva what should happen when someone clicks the element on your published website. In the link box, paste what you want your visitors to open. For a regular web page, paste the full website URL. Using the full address, including HTTPS, helps avoid broken links. For email, you can type a mail to link, which looks like mail to your email at example.com. That prompts a visitor's device to open their email app with your address filled in. For phone calls, use a tell link, such as tell +23890, which tells mobile devices to start a call. Keep your formatting clean and avoid spaces so the link is recognized correctly. After you paste the link, Canva associates it with the selected element. If you click away and select the element again, you'll see the link option show the address you entered, confirming it's attached. You can always return to the same link box to update or remove the link later if your destination changes. A couple of quick tips to ensure a smooth experience. If you're linking to a specific page on your site or a third-party service, copy the URL directly from your browser to avoid typos. If you're building a navigation button, keep your button text short and clear so visitors know exactly what will happen when they click. That's all you need to make elements clickable in your Canva website. Select the element, open the link option in the top toolbar, and paste the website, link, email, or phone number you want it to open. Once you publish your site from Canva, your buttons and other linked elements will be ready for your visitors to use.